Dow Jones Index date 3/21/2020. Last trading day 3/20. Dow Jones down 913 points. We had a triple witch in there though. So you had that going on, and it always happens in the last hour. So they went through that process. Now, let's go ahead and take a look here, everybody. One thing about the platform, when you see the diamonds in here, this is on the Dow Jones. It's a 60-minute. It's a bear market trend. The diamonds are algos. When they go down that way and they break below the previous half bars, then the put options are going to be paying. Now, the Dow, as we can see going back over here, we have these big gap downs. This was that volatility. They come back, they gap it up, they really run it up high right here on 313, and then bam, gap down lower on 316. They come up, and we continue to just break lower. And these are huge, big bars, and you can see those diamonds and where they are. And then you can see where the rallies were again. And then the diamonds had boom, 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 all the way up. These are great trading ranges and great trading bear markets. Let that be known as by understanding what your Dow Jones was doing on a 60-minute level, your stocks were doing the same thing, which meant that the options were paying big money if you know how to do them. Calls and puts. So once again, one of the things about it is that every attempted rally is a trade for that day on the call side of the market, and that's the end of the story. It is a bear market. That means that resistance has a wall. So when the price hits, it's over. 99% of the people, they don't know when to sell. Once again, I got a 60-minute chart on the Dow, down 913 points. NASI down 271. NASDAQ 100 minus another whopping 294. And the S&P at 2304.92, down 104. But let it be known that the fear indicator, VIX, was down there and closed it out negative as well. So, but that's where the fear comes down and bottoms or trading ranges start to develop. So they have already, but they will gradually and incrementally on a daily compounded level begin that change more rapidly as we go through this week that's going to be coming up. And once again, why don't you go ahead and get in that live trading room? Do you have a problem with that? You've been watching other videos. We've been around a long time. You have a trading account. We're going to show you where to open up your account, which broker-dealer. And not only that, direct access trading to the floor. So now your orders are before everyone else's. Let's get down to the trend of that. So stocks reverse and they go down, just like you see here on this 60-minute reversal, where the diamonds are going lower in our platform. This is our platform. It's a market maker platform. It's an algo platform. It's pure math. We can go into that later, but just know it's not going to ever be false because it can't. And the ranges were to the downside, as we can see. So when we fail like that, those put options are paying and the call options are losing value. And when you're in bear market trends, support and resistance, as you can see, when you rally up and you get right up here to where we had other areas of resistance, you come up and you test this area, bam, you come up and you fail immediately below that previous 60-minute half bar there, and you're coming straight right on down. And the put side of the market's paying that big money. You got to get in that live trading room. We're going to teach you how to get the entry on those options. That's exactly what we're going to do. But you got to take the next step. And you have to do what? Get into that live trading room and see that going down. So by understanding which way your Dow stocks were going, then you knew if the equity side on the stock market side, which way they were going. So when they had their rallies, what happened? They rolled over. Bam! Bear market rallies make more money. Bear market resistance. Bear market support. Roll it up. Sell it. Bounce off in the bottoms. Make market 60-minute Dow Jones. Let it be known on Friday that the tape was paying on the put side again. And there was a lot of rebalancing going on, so don't let no one fool you about that side either. And we are holding above some of the other lows that we had last week and whatnot. So the volatility is where the sellers will at some point get exhausted. But we're going to use, yes, the daily, but the 60-minute is going to tell us what the daily is going to be like. And it is. And a 60-minute Dow will let you know which way your markets are going, how to read it, how to understand it. But not only that, who cares? Let's get paid today. Let's not put that off because it's happening right now. That's the time to get paid. Go ahead and call us. Let's get set up. Let's get some paper trading going. Let's get to talking. Let's do all of that. Dow Jones, 60-minute chart. Dow, down 913 points. Big move down, big rebalancing, triple witching. Yes, that was a triple witch on Friday. Happens every 90 days, 4 times a year. Let it be known. Not only that, folks, we are going to show you what will really be happening. And as we continue to go through the volatility, guess what? That is the biggest trading ranges and the biggest profitability that you can get right here, right now. Let it be known. Let it get started. Let it get started. Sign up. There's a link there.